Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Valentin, and I decided to do another quick follow-up video today on CryptoML. This is a website that I discussed in my previous videos about a week ago, and it's basically, it uses machine learning technology to gather data on crypto and generate price predictions for the short term mostly. Currently, I'm in the layout of the application for it, but you can download and install it on your Android device, on Apple, and also on your PC. And this is something important to keep always checking day to day, because I think it's a very good instrument for educated guessing in planning on whether you should purchase Bitcoin or Ethereum. These are the two cryptocurrencies that are being followed, or when it's a good time to sell them. So let's see what's going on as of Friday. This is usually, it's past data with it uses past data to estimate upcoming trends, so 6 hours and 12-hour predictions. So I think this will be good for Monday. So for Bitcoin, it looks like over the next 12 hours, it's expected to go up by 2.8%. Whereas Ethereum is expected to go down by 1.15%. Now, the manipulator detector, which is kind of tells you how strong or weak these signals are, these predictions, because it says normal market, it means that the predictions are accurate. When you have a sell, so a red one, it means that there are unusual conditions that would cause the market to to be a reason to sell the currency, or there's more selling occurring than expected, and a buy, there's more buying than expected. So since it's normal, we can just follow these predictions, the 2.8 increase and the minus 1.5 for Ethereum. Okay. Next in line, we have the CryptoML market index. So what this is, it basically tells you the general direction of the market, and it's a bull market with a score of 51. So that means there's an uptrend, people are purchasing. Score of 51 is right between 0 and 100. As I was saying, the closer to 100 you are, the stronger the trend is. And it says here bull market is strengthening. That's because it's over 50. If it was under 50, it would say it's weakening, and you can expect a reversal. And this is just the market price. The current, it's constantly fluctuating because this is updated live. And scrolling down here, these are recommendations for people who are I think I mentioned before that paid memberships allows you to get these sort of recommendations, and automatically, so using bot software, you can either purchase or sell. The application does it for you, but these are just sort of recommendations if you're interested in purchasing the stock in a long position or selling it in a long position. And scrolling down here, the market index chart. So the market index, two things here to remember, the 60 line and the minus 60 line. So practically for the current stock price, the closer you get to the top, to the 60, and it means that that is sort of the support line, and potentially a reversal in trend is happening. So currently right now where we're at, it's still going up. So we are in the bull market, it hasn't reached the peak. Note that these 60 and minus 60 lines are, they're always fluctuating. They're not necessarily, it all depends on how the price moves. So it doesn't mean that once the stock hits 60, it's going to go on reversal. It could easily pass through the support and keep going. But this is just historically based on how these crypto prices have moved. And that's about it. And the bottom here, I just want to point one important feature I found out in the app is in the graphical representation, I used a number of technical indicators on predicting the momentum and the strength of these uptrends or downtrends. And if you click on this button here, let's see if it works, and click on Trading View, it sends you to this other app, Trading View, and scroll down to Technicals. So instead of doing all the different technical indicators plotting like MACD, RSI, moving averages, etc., there's a built-in feature here that gives you a summary of the technical analysis. So in summary, the technical indicators show 5 of them. They show a sell rating, 5 neutral, and then 16 buy. So overall, it's moving towards a buy in the direction. And this is kind of dividing it by the type of indicators. Oscillators are neutral, moving averages are strong buy. And if you want to know in detail which ones are being referred to, they're all listed here. So the RSI is a sell, for example. The stochastic, which is in line with the RSI, it's also a sell. Some of the momentums, though, because we have noticed a sort of like a positive move towards the bull market. We're seeing a buy from the momentum and the MACD indicators, and then all the moving averages are buys. So yeah, this basically signifies that the current trend, the current uptrend, has some power to it, and it's likely to continue in this positive momentum. Okay? So that's it. I just want to remind everyone that you can easily download this application and keep checking on your cryptocurrencies. All right. Thank you. Have a great day.